Dear students, let us do the exercise of chapter 9, Reproduction in Animals. Oral questions. Question number 1. What is meant by reproduction? The production of new individuals by their parents is known as reproduction. Why is reproduction important? Reproduction is essential for the survival of a species on the earth. I repeat, reproduction is essential for the survival of a species on the earth. Question number 3. What are the two general methods of reproduction in animals? The answer is asexual reproduction and sexual reproduction. These are the two general methods of reproduction in animals. Science quiz. Let us begin. Question number 1. Which type of reproduction takes place in amoeba? And the answer is asexual reproduction. Question number 2. Expand IVF. The answer is in vitro fertilization. In vitro fertilization. Question number 3 now. Where does the embryo get embedded in humans? Where does the embryo get embedded in humans? And the answer is in the uterus of female. Worksheet. Let us tick the correct options first of all. 1. The function of testes is to produce sperms. The function of testes is to produce sperms. 2. Fertilization of egg in case of women takes place in fallopian tube. Fertilization of egg in case of women takes place in fallopian tube. 3. The zygote gives rise to a or an fetus. The zygote gives rise to a fetus. Let us proceed further. 4th. Binary fission takes place in paramecium. Binary fission takes place in paramecium. The process which ensures continuity of life on the earth is reproduction. Reproduction. Let us circle the odd ones. Give reasons for your choice. First one is fishes, birds, reptiles, mammals, insects. You have to find the odd one out of these 5. The answer is mammals, because mammals are mostly viviparous animals and rest are oviparous. Viviparous animals give birth to young ones and oviparous animals lay eggs. So, fishes lay eggs, birds lay eggs, reptiles lay eggs, insects lay eggs, but mammals do not. 2. Testes, fallopian tube, vas deferens, penis, urethra. The odd one is fallopian tube, because fallopian tube is a part of human female reproductive system and rest are the parts of human male reproductive system. So the odd one here is fallopian tube. You remember? In fallopian tube, the fertilization takes place. And testis, vas deferens, penis and urethra, these are the organs of human male reproductive system. Third, vagina, uterus, ovary, testes, fallopian tube. Students, here the odd ones is testis because it is a part of human male reproductive system and rest are the parts of human female reproductive system. Vagina, uterus, ovary and fallopian tube all are the parts of human female reproductive system and testis is a part of male system. Thanks for watching.